Hey guys, Dr. Bang here again. I wanted to share with you some easy things you can do for your neck pain that you're experiencing. If you're at home working at your computer and you're not at a normal, the right desk height, it might be aggravating your neck pain really bad. And so these are some easy tips that you can start to practice right this second. So follow along with me and let's see if this is the right video for you. It should start to alleviate your symptoms, and you continue to do it throughout the next week and it can greatly reduce those. So I'm going to focus on if you have pain that kind of runs down one side of your neck. All right, so let's discuss the myofascial component first. This is what we always do first. We try to work it out. So if you got a line of pain, what you do is just take your thumb or your fingers and just follow that line of pain as far as you can go until it stops hurting. Okay? Now I want you to push with moderate force. You should cringe a little. It might make your skin a little red. That's normal. I'm trying to work out that tissue that's tight. Let's say you have more pinpoint pain, like it hurts right here. You can use your own hands and push down, but sometimes I will get a massage cane, and there's lots of different types. I don't specifically ascribe to one brand. It's just some kind of curve with a knob on it. You push down with some moderate force right on that little spot that hurts in your neck. It could be even up in the top of the neck, the base of the skull. You can use these things in here. If you don't have a cane, that's okay. Get your thumb, push it right up in there and work through that. Once you've done this for about a minute, we're going to move to the next component, which is our range of motion. We have level 1 range of motion and level 2 range of motion. Level 1, watch my shoulders. They're staying put. I'm going to be focusing all my motion on the neck. I want to go as far as I can in these directions comfortably. It should not hurt. Okay. I'm going to go one direction and then the other. Three times each direction. That's level 1. Just warming it up. Getting all the directions. Then I want to contract my traps, my neck muscles, and go through that same range. You see I'm shaking a little bit? It's normal. Because I'm trying to contract the surrounding muscles while going through this range of motion. 3 times each direction, okay? Shouldn't hurt. If it hurts, let's say it hurts, I'm here, just back off a little and continue your range of motion, okay? Avoid the pain, but take a note, a mental note of where your pain is. Next, we're going to expand the end ranges of motion of our neck and add resistance. So primarily with most people, it's here, both sides, and also here that they'll feel the most tightness. So that's what we're going to focus on today. So you'll take your neck as far as it will comfortably go in one direction. You're going to block it with your opposite hand. It's just going to hold the neck. It's a wall. Your hand is a wall to push against. With my neck muscles, I'm pushing my head this direction. Okay? Feeling these contract. Hold for 20. Then I'm going to try to push my head further down, but I'm going to block this direction. Hold that for 20. And then I'm going to try to stretch a little deeper and do another set. Pushing, 1, 2, 20. Pulling down, 1, 2, 3, etc. to 20. And I'll do that 3 times, okay? Another one, another one. Same thing on this side. Block, push, and push down for 20. Three times each direction. You finished lateral flexion. Now we're going to do kind of lateral flexion with a little bit of variation. So you're going to first again bring your ear to your shoulder and then look down towards the ground, and you'll feel the stretch change. And I'm going to block almost like I'm lifting my head this direction. Blocking, holding. And when you're contracting, I want you to contract like moderately. You almost shake a little bit, that's good. If it's hurting, back off just a touch, but keep some pretty good force. 20 seconds, then I'm going to pull down 20 seconds. Working the other opposite muscles. Okay? You can do that 3 times, both sides. Then the last thing we're going to do is just neck strengthening. And that we're going to be doing is just some stabilization, keeping our head in one position, pushing back and doing an isometric hold in 4 directions. Backwards, to the right, to the left, and forward. Notice how I'm looking straight forward. I'm not moving at all. I'm staying in one position. And a good time length is 1 minute per direction. Moderate force. Shouldn't hurt, but moderate force. Okay, try these tips for your neck. If they don't work, look at some other videos on our channel that might be more specific to you. There's also greater detail and explanation on all the different components we're talking about today. Thanks.